Hi everyone, it's Sintang Mayumi. For today's video, I made a school bus tags. I needed something to add to my son's gift card for our school bus driver, so I decided to make tags instead of cards. I used Tim Holtz tag die set to die cut my tags, and I used the second to the largest tag in the set. The paper I use is 110-pound Strathmore watercolor paper, and I will get 6 tags from one sheet of this paper. I only need one bus tag today, but I will make multiples of this so I don't have to make it later, and it will save me time. And I have extra tags that I can use next year. And these are all the tags that I will be using. The stamp set that I use for today's project is from Kindred Stamps Learning. Is an adventure stamp set. I will be using just the bus image from the stamp set. I will ink up my image with Memento London Fog ink and stamp the bus 3 times on the tag, and this will be my background. I'm also going to stamp the bus image with VersaFine Onyx Black ink on a 90-pound Strathmore watercolor paper. I will be embossing them with Wow Clear embossing powder and then melt all the powder with my heat tool. I thought it's cute to add a smiley face on the bus, so I added smiley face in front. The smiley face is from Lonfon Caramel Apple Stamp Set. I will also emboss them with clear embossing powder. This is afterthought. If I thought of it while stamping the bus earlier, I should have stamped the faces too and embossed all at once. I used my Zig Clean Color Real Brush markers to color the bus. I started with light brown color and then blended it out with yellow color. I colored the wheels with gray color and light gray for the lights and front of the bus. And use my blender marker if I need to blend the color. For the windows of the bus, I used light blue marker and blended the color with the blender pen. The image is super easy to fussy cut. I used my Fiskars soft touch scissor to do the cutting. And to make the white edges seamless, I ran my Memento Black marker on the side of the image. I'm using black scraps of paper that I have on my desk, and they are a good size for my sentiment. The sentiment thank you is from the stamp set, Pen Sentiment Stamp Set, and it's from the Tan Stamps. I use Versamark ink to stamp the sentiments on the paper, and then I will emboss them with Wow Opaque Bright White embossing powder. And then melt the powder with my heat tool. I'm going to use my Fiskars trimmer to cut those sentiments, and I'm using the trimmer because I can't cut straight just using my scissor. So the trimmer will help me to make the sentiments straight as possible. I thought the back of the tag is so plain, so I stamped two buses with Memento London Fog ink. Again, if I thought of this earlier, I should have stamped my background all at once. And then added the to and from sentiments with VersaFine Onyx Black ink. I think the to and from sentiment is from Hero Arts stamp set that I have. I colored my background with Daniel Smith Cobalt Teal Blue and added a drops of Hero Arts Iridescent Watercolor ink. So when I apply the color on the tags, it has a little bit of shimmer. And now I can adhere the buses and the sentiments on the tags. I placed the sentiment below the bus, and I placed some of them in the middle of the tags and some of them on the lower part of the tags. And I also used foam tape to adhere them. The Tim Holtz tag die set comes with reinforcement die, and I die cut EL cardstock and I added them on the holes of the tag. And lastly, I will add yellow twine on the tags, and this twine is from Lawn Fawn. I think they are called Lawn Fawn trimmings. And my tags are finished. I used one today and we already gave it to our school bus driver, and I think we made his day. He looks so happy and he really appreciates the gift. These tags are super cute and easy to make. I hope I inspire you today, and I hope you like today's video. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.